Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So today I'm opening up the beach box. How cute is their packaging? I think it's just so cute. So it says the subscription box inspired by the sea. And I just love sea inspired things. I do live close to the beach, but even when I didn't, I always just loved that like beach decor and all of that. It just makes me in a good mood. So this is the second time I had opened the subscription box. I think the last time was in June. So the beach box is available on Cratejoy. It starts at $34.99 a month. And when I was just like browsing their site a little bit ago just to make sure I had all the information correct, it does look like they're offering some kind of discount, maybe like 10% off or something like that. So I will leave all of the information, the link and all that down below if you're interested in this box. But anyways, let's get started. So this, by the way, this is like more like a lifestyle box. So there's all different types of stuff. So let's see what we got. Inside, this is what I see when I open it. Can't really see much yet. But I forgot to mention this. Every single month they have like a different beach as a theme. So it says, welcome to Flamingo Beach, Aruba. The perfect private beach oasis with soft sand, snorkeling, and flamingos you can greet. I'm planning on getting a manicure after I film this video. And I usually use this hand to hold things up and I'm missing nail polish on it. But that is what the inspiration is for the box. And on the back of the box it says everything that is in our September box, which I love. I love when we get a little bit of information on it. It doesn't say any pricing information, but it does give a little description for each item. And then it says enjoy, so let's break that open and see what is in here. Ooh, oh my god, I see something super cute. So first thing I see, it looks like there's like a scarf or something in here that has flamingo print. This is super cute. This is the tie style of 6 great ways to wear your trendy scarf. This is so cute and it feels like really good quality. I love the colors. It's like coral and pink. It has the flamingos on it. This is perfect for transition from like summer to fall too. I think September was a good month to put this in. So that's super cute. Let's see what information we have in here. So the Flamingo Scarf, the perfect soft and lightweight scarf to complete your fall outfits with a cheery flamingo touch. It is very cheery. I think this is super adorable. I really like this, so awesome. And I see another flamingo thing in here, which I'm super excited about because I totally use things like this all the time. It's a tumbler. Look how cute this is. This is big too. Awesome. I love this. And I love the flamingo theme. So the Flamingo Tumbler says carry around your favorite beverage in this delightful flamingo covered tumbler. It's large, 24 ounce and double walled to keep your drink cold for hours. This is awesome. I'm gonna use this all the time. This is so cute. And then that's the top. I love that it's big, 24 ounces. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, another flamingo thing. Totally keeping on theme. I loved boxes that keep a theme or have a theme, follow a theme, whatever. Is this like for sunglasses? Let's see. Yep, Flamingo sunglass pouch. Carry your sunglasses or small essentials in this Flamingo beach inspired pouch that easily clips to your purse or backpack. It's true, they do have one of these little clips right here so you can hang this onto anything. So let's look inside. Oh yeah, there's 2 pouches in there. Awesome. This seems like it would protect them well if you want to use this. And then with the clip, you could easily find them in your bag, so that's super nice. Again, that's what they look like. It's 3 flamingo things. And then, what is this? Is this nail polish? This is Del Sol Color Change Nail Polish. Changes colors in sunlight. So indoor, I guess it looks more like the color it is now, and then outdoor it gets darker. So that's like up here, this is what it would look like outdoors, and this is indoor. So clearly it's an indoor color right now. This is a pretty color. And it's called, the color name is Futures So Bright. I've never heard of this brand before. So this is the Del Sol Color Changing Nail Polish. Whether you're at the beach or the backyard, you'll be amazed when your nail polish changes colors as you head outdoors. Cool, and I like both the colors, so that's fun. Okay, so this is the next thing I see. Let's read what this is because I'm not really sure. This is the fish Wedeck cloth. Inspired by the fish you may find snorkeling at the beach, this eco-friendly multi-use cloth will add a little joy to wherever you choose to use it. Oh, so I think this is one of those cloths like that's reusable, and it's like kind of like a reusable paper towel. So when you like get it wet, it acts more like a towel. Like right now it's kind of hard. So that's super awesome. I'm really trying to be like more eco-conscious with like the things I use and like every way of life. So I have to look more into this. I've never used one of these before, but I think I know the overall idea of it. So that's awesome. I'm really glad to try this out. I love getting brand new things I've never tried in subscription boxes, and this is definitely something I've never tried before. And it looks like we just got a little extra. I don't see this on here anywhere. This is just like a little sucker or lollipop. We've had this debate before, but if we want to revisit it, you can leave a comment down below. Do you say sucker or lollipop? I'd love to hear. I'm from the Midwest. I currently live in Florida, but I say sucker, and it seems like the wide consensus of people, like everyone says sucker besides like people up in like the upper East Coast, like Philadelphia area especially, they seem to say lollipop, or Pennsylvania I guess I should say, because I know people outside Philadelphia that say it too. It's cool. So this is made in Omaha, Nebraska, and they say lollipop on the back, but that's super cute. It's like a little sea anchor. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, there's something in here that talks about the Wedeck towel. So I'm gonna read this just because I'm curious. It gives like some ideas like in the picture right there. But it says the ultimate Wedeck, durable and reusable Wedeck cloth, absorbs 16 times its weight, lasts in excess of 6 months, lint and streak free, eco-friendly. That's awesome. So they also offer like these scuba to scrub, so they're durable, scratch free, and long lasting scour pads with multiple fun designs. And wet and scrub, the ultimate Wedeck cloth combined with scrub scour pad triangles. So then they give you some ideas. It says that Wedeck cloth is ideal for household cleanup, washing your car, camping, boating, office, auto shop, and more. And then it can be placed on the top rack of the dishwasher. You can place it in the regular washing machine. But it says do not use fabric softener. You can place it in the microwave for 3 minutes to clean it, and you can use bleaching agents on tough stains. So cool. I'm really excited to try this out. Have you guys tried this? I can't remember if I asked you. I probably did, but let me know down below if you have. Let's see if there's anything else. There's something on here that's not in the box. I'm just looking around to make sure I didn't like drop it or have it wrapped up in something else. Okay, I'm glad I realized that. So the last thing isn't missing. It's inside the tumbler. Cool. I love stuff like this. I've been using these. I'm actually out. These are shower steamers by Sister Soap Bath and Body Products. So it looks like we have 4 in there. Let's see. It says how to use. Place a shower steamer directly or indirectly in the stream of water while the shower is on. Enjoy the release of fresh vapors while you enjoy your shower. And it says use in shower only, not for soaking bath. So I guess if the concentrated formula may cause skin irritation if soaking, so use it in the shower only. It's made with baking soda, citric acid, kaolin clay, alcohol, essential oils, and polysorbate 80. And it has a little symbol on here that says it's handmade. These smell good. And it looks like they're like kind of have a flower design. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, they smell good. Let's read more about it. So it says, Rejuvenating shower steamers. Let the floral and fruity notes in these shower steamers by Sister Soap Company fill your shower and transport you to a relaxing Caribbean beach mindset. They do smell really good. I think this was a good month. I think I like this more than the original one. Okay, let's go through and talk about my favorites. So what I just am holding now, this is the tumbler, which I think might be my favorite thing just because I think I will get like a ton of use out of this. And it's so cute too. I love the flamingos. And I think this scarf is really cute too. I honestly might give it to my mom because she wears scarves all the time and she's in a colder climate, but I might keep it too because I love the colors and it seriously does feel really nice. Let's see, it's by Trendy Jewels. What is it made out of? 100% polyester. You can hand wash it cold, line dry, and low iron heat if you want. And I love how it gives you all those different ways on how to tie it because someone like me, I don't wear scarves all the time, so I could use some inspiration like that. So that is awesome. So cute. It really does feel soft. And then I'm really excited to try this Wedeck cloth. This looks awesome. And then we have the sunglass holder. I honestly don't usually use these. I probably should because I just toss my sunglasses around, and I think it would be smarter if I kept them in something like this. And it's a cute design. I normally get my nails done at the salon. I'm actually going to the salon today, I hope. I always say that, but I don't know why, what it is about going. Like, I hate going, but I love the result. Like, I just despise going, but I could use these on my toes. Is that weird to use color changing on my toe? Or I may add this in a giveaway. I'm not sure what I'll do with this yet, but I do think it's cute colors and fun, so we'll see about that. And I do use shower steamers because I definitely shower way more than I take baths, so excited to try this out. And then we have our little extra sucker, which looks really good. Sucker. But anyways, I think that's a good box. Again, all the information will be linked down below if you're interested. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!